Check this out. A marble rolling inside a circular track. The walls keep nudging it inward. That inward push is called centripetal force, meaning center seeking. Without it, the marble won't follow the curve at all. What happens when the marble reaches the gap in the track? Which way will it go? Watch closely. The moment it leaves, the inward push vanishes. Its velocity is tangent to the circle. So, the marble shoots off in a straight line, exactly in the direction the velocity vector was pointing. No curve, just a clean, straight path. Here's another way to see it. Swing a ball on a string. The string pulls inward the whole time, keeping the ball moving in a circle. Let go and the ball shoots straight along the tangent, exactly in the direction its velocity was pointing. After that, gravity pulls it downward, curving its path. Cars rely on centripetal force to turn. On a dry road, that inward force comes from friction between the tires and the road. The tires push sideways on the pavement, and the pavement pushes back. That is the centripetal force pulling the car into the curve. But on ice, friction is too weak. Without enough inward force, the car cannot follow the curve. It just gets straight ahead, even if the wheels are turned. Roller coasters and spinning rides also rely on centripetal force. On a coaster, the track pushes sideways on the wheels, pulling the cars into the curve. On spinning rides, the walls or chains push riders inward, keeping them moving in a circle. Without those inward forces, cars or riders would fly straight off the curve. Satellites orbit Earth because gravity provides the centripetal force. Take the gravity force away, and the satellites would shoot straight into space. Now imagine tossing a rock into the empty void of space, far from any planet, star, or even air. With no gravity to pull it down and no air resistance to slow it, the rock won't curve and it won't stop. It just keeps drifting straight forever. The same principle as our marble, but on a cosmic scale. Marbles, cars on ice, satellites. No unbalanced force, objects keep moving straight. That is Newton's first law in action. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. Happy learning. Thank you.